I want to talk to you about the top free dropshipping suppliers for your online store. So, if you have an online store and you're interested in dropshipping, you do not want to pay for dropshipping. You do not want to pay for the service, okay? Because you have a lot of free dropshipping suppliers out there. And the first one that I want to share with you is AliExpress. So AliExpress actually has been around for many years now, and the cool thing about AliExpress is that you're not paying anything. You're not paying a monthly fee. You're not paying $50 or $40 or whatever to actually access the platform. Okay, you access the platform. You have access to millions of products. Okay, so AliExpress remains one of the largest online marketplaces for dropshipping, and they have millions of products from Chinese suppliers. So that's the thing. So when you actually connect to AliExpress and you actually sourcing products from AliExpress, you are speaking primarily to Chinese suppliers. And the cool thing is that this platform allows you as a seller to source products at low wholesale prices without actually minimum order requirements. And so if you are a beginner, this could be a great platform for you. And this platform provides access to various products, including fashion, electronics, home goods, beauty items, and pet supplies, right? The platform also integrates seamlessly with dropshipping automation tools like Deezers, allowing you as a seller to import products, set pricing rules, and automate order fulfillment. So this is really good. The second free dropshipping supplier for your online store is Salesforce. So Salesforce remains a supplier directory that connects dropshippers with verified wholesalers and manufacturers worldwide. And unlike AliExpress, Salesforce ensures that all suppliers are pre-screened for legitimacy and reliability, reducing actually the risk of dealing with fraudulent vendors, right? So that's really good. And what I love about Salesforce is that they actually provide access to thousands of trusted suppliers offering a wide range of products. The platform includes a market research tool, helping you as a seller find high demand, low competition products. Okay, and Salesforce also offers e-commerce training and guides, and this makes it a valuable resource for beginners. While full access requires a paid membership, some suppliers on the platform offer free product listings. Another free dropshipping supplier for your online store this year actually is Wholesale to Be. Now, Wholesale to Be doesn't like to there's not a lot of buzz around this dropshipping supplier, but Wholesale to Be has been around for more than 25 years, and that tells you a lot about their proven track record. Okay, and so if you think about Wholesale to Be, I want you to think primarily about a dropshipping platform that actually provides access to over 1.5 million products from US based and international suppliers. So when you go to Wholesale to Be, you have diversity in terms of suppliers. So whereas if you go to AliExpress, you're talking primarily to Chinese suppliers, but if you go to Wholesale to Be, you have US based suppliers but also international suppliers. So what I love about Wholesale to Be is that it focuses on automation, making it very easier for you to manage your stores. Okay, if you have one store, two store, whatever, Wholesale to Be will help you out. And Wholesale to Be allows sellers to browse a huge selection of products across various categories, including electronics, fashion, and beauty. It really integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, and eBay. So, and this makes it very simple to import products and automate order fulfillment. The platform also offers real-time inventory updates, preventing stock issues. Okay, so while some features require a paid plan, product sourcing and manual order processing are free. Next, you have Big Buy. So, Big Buy is a European-based drop shipping platform that specializes in localized shipping, multilingual product descriptions, and multi-currency support. And Big Buy provides a wide selection of products, including electronics, fashion, and you have home decor and beauty items sourced from European suppliers. This allows sellers to offer faster shipping times to European customers, and the platform also integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon, making it very easy to manage inventory and process orders. So while some premium features require a paid subscription, free access is available for product sourcing. So this is really good. If you're looking for a free dropshipping supplier for your online store, I want to introduce you to Trendsy. So what I love about Trendsy is that Trendsy is constantly innovating. They're constantly adding new products. But Trendsy is mostly around fashion. Okay, so it's really, if you love fashion dropshipping, if you think there is potential in it, like I think, like I think it does, think about Trendsy. So Trendsy remains a U.S. based dropshipping supplier specializing in women's fashion, accessories, and lifestyle products. And it actually stands out for offering high quality uh, apparel with a fast shipping option, which is really a major advantage over AliExpress, for instance. Okay, because with AliExpress, you when you talk to Chinese suppliers, they're really good. Their products are good, but sometimes it takes long for the shipping. Like because the products are actually shipping from China, it might take 2, 3, or even 4 weeks. Okay, so that's really. But if you are in the fashion space and you want actually fast shipping, think about Trendsy. And basically, Trendsy offers a curated selection of stylish apparel, focusing on fast shipping, private labeling, and high quality imagery. And you know how important imagery is when it comes to fashion overall. Okay, and Trendsy integrates with Shopify and provides professional product photos, descriptions, and size charts, helping sellers present their products professionally. Okay, so if you think about Trendsy overall, you want to think about high quality fashion products. You have fast US shipping, so those are some of the benefits. You have branding and private label options, and you also have professional images and descriptions. So lots of flexibility and lots of efficiency. On the flip side, you do have a platform that's primarily limited to fashion and accessories. So if you're not into that niche, then Trends is not really good for you. And you only have a Shopify integration as of the date of this show. If you're looking for a free dropshipping supplier for your online store, I want you to really think about Worldwide Brands. Worldwide Brands has been around for a while, and what I love about Worldwide Brands is that it has not only been around for more than 25 years, it's constantly actually updating its business model. Now, one thing for sure, if you go to a Worldwide Brands the website, their website looks a little bit outdated. You would think this is like old school sort of website, but don't let that fool you. The website might be old, but the service is really top quality. Okay, this is a premium dropshipping directory that connects dropshippers with certified wholesalers and manufacturers from around the world, not just from the states, but from around the world. So it is a dropshipping directory. I want to insist on that directory. Okay. So what happens here is that all suppliers within uh, Worldwide Brands directory are vetted. So the platform vets all suppliers, ensuring that sellers can trust the companies they work with. And Worldwide Brands offers access to a large database of verified dropshipping suppliers, something you don't have on AliExpress, for instance, right? You don't have it on AliExpress, so something to really think about. And Worldwide Brands provides suppliers across various industries, including electronics, clothing, and beauty products. And unlike other suppliers, Worldwide Brands focuses on establishing relationships with established, reliable wholesalers who have a proven track record of quality and excellence. That's why, for the last 25 years, Worldwide Brands has been able to thrive, to survive, but also thrive, because they're actually They're cultivating ties with top quality brands. The platform charges a one-time fee for lifetime access to the supplier directory, and it offers real-time stock updates and competitive pricing. Okay, but you are able to actually have a free preview, totally possible. So, what are the pros and cons when it comes to worldwide brands? The pros: you have verified, trustworthy suppliers. You have a large selection of products across multiple niches, and you have no recurring fees. There is only a one time access fee to really think about, and you do have real time inventory updates. On the flip side, when you think about worldwide brands, you have one time access fee that can be really expensive for some sellers, okay, and fewer suppliers from certain countries, and there is no free trial as of the date of this show. Next, you have a Printful. So if you're looking for a free dropshipping supplier for your online store, think about Printful. Now, Printful has recently merged with Printify, and those two were used to be competitors back in the day, but they decided to join forces, which is really good because that just means that you have a newer market, a stronger market. That's really good. And Printful is a print-on-demand supplier that allows entrepreneurs to design and sell custom products without having to manage inventory. So you have a different type of drop shipping, okay, when it comes to print on demand. And so what happens here is that Printful will handle everything from production to shipping, and it offers a wide range of customizable products. Okay, that's really good from a flexibility point of view. And also, Printful offers a vast selection of customizable items, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats, posters, and more. So, if your customers appreciate that kind of products, go with Printful. And the platform also allows you to upload your designs and create unique products, which Printful will then print, pack, and ship directly to your customers. And Printful integrates easily with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and others. Okay, this is kind of cool. And what I love about Printful is that it also offers branding options such as custom labels, packing slips, and packaging, allowing you to create a branded experience for your customers. So, what are the pros and cons here? The pros: there is no inventory management required because Printful is taking care of everything, and Printful only prints the items once people place orders. Okay, you have a wide range of customizable products. You have high quality printing and fulfillment services, and you also have branding and packaging options. On the on the negative side, if you will, the cons, the drawback: higher product costs compared to bulk suppliers, and you do have limited product selection because they are focused only on print-on-demand items, and the shipping cost may be higher than traditional suppliers. So something to really think about. If you're looking for the top 9 free dropshipping suppliers for your online store, I want to introduce you to CJ Dropshipping. The thing about CJ Dropshipping is that it's constantly adding new functionalities all the time. I love CJ Dropshipping for their innovation. I love them for their adaptability, but also their reliability. And they've been around for a while too, though. When it comes to CJ Dropshipping, they've been around for a while. They've been tested. You can say it that way. Okay. So CJ Dropshipping remains a China-based dropshipping supplier that offers a global network of warehouses and provides faster shipping options than traditional Chinese suppliers. So the thing is that CJ Dropshipping has a business model that's pretty similar to AliExpress in the sense that it has Chinese suppliers. But the cool thing about CJ Dropshipping is that it has warehouses in the States too. And they will actually will ship items from the places that are closer to your customers, okay? So CJ Dropshipping offers a large catalog of products across categories like electronics, home goods, fashion, and beauty. So you have this possibility. And what sets CJ apart is its global warehousing system. I think I just said that, okay? And this includes warehouses in the US, Europe, and other regions, enabling faster shipping times in key markets. And CJ Dropshipping also integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms for streamlined automation. Additionally, the platform offers product sourcing services, meaning you can request specific products if they're not already in the catalog. So this is really good. So what are the positives and negatives when it comes to CJ dropshipping? The positives first, you have faster shipping with global warehouses, wide product, a very wide product selection, custom packaging and branding options, and you also have product sourcing services. On the drawback side, the shipping fees may be higher than those of some competitors in some cases. Okay, that's what I've seen. The free plan is limited compared to premium options, and some products may have longer processing times. If you're looking for a free dropshipping supplier for your online store, I want you to think about Modalist, okay? And Modalist actually is pretty good. It's a dropshipping platform that connects sellers with premium suppliers with and well-known brands. The company used to be an independent company a few years ago until they got bought over by Wix. Okay, so now they're part of Modalist. It's part of the Wix family, and it is perfect for sellers looking to offer high quality or luxury products in their online store. So if this is really what you have in mind as a business model, go for it. Okay, as long as you are willing to sell high quality luxury products in your online store, Modalist can help you out. But the company is not just limited to that, though. I mean, they actually they cover all kinds of products. Okay, so they offer access to a curated selection of premium products, including home decor, accessories, luxury fashion, and so on and so forth. It provides integration with Shopify and BigCommerce, making it easy to manage product imports and order fulfillment. And one thing you will see also is that through Modalist, you have access to a wide range of price points. So as a seller, you can cater to both high-end and affordable market segments. That's what I said. That it's not just for luxury. It's not just for the luxury sector. And Modalist has a free plan that allows you as a seller to explore its catalog, although more advanced features are available with paid plans. So what are the pros and cons when it comes to a Modalist? The pros: high quality and luxury products, access to well-known brands, okay, integration with Shopify and BigCommerce, and you have a curated selection of premium items. What are the cons here? Well, you do have a limited selection of free products. Paid plans are required for full access to premium features, and you have less variety compared to larger platforms like AliExpress, for instance. Okay, you're not having the depth and breadth of product coverage that you might have with other platforms. So, in the final word, you need to understand that these free dropshipping suppliers offer unique features that cater to different business needs. Whether you're looking for affordable products, fast shipping, or premium products, there is a free supplier option to help you build your dream online store. Okay, the key to success lies in choosing the supplier that aligns with your product niche, target audience, and business goals. In conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the top 9 dropshipping suppliers for your online store: AliExpress, Cielhu, Wholesale to Be, Big Buy, Trendsy, Worldwide Brands, Printful, CJ Dropshipping, Modalist. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.